Welcome back, students. Today we are reading another interesting story which is about the sand god. So let's begin. Polly and Andy were at the beach with mom and dad. They had a lot of fun. They ran in and out of the sea. They had a look at the big crabs and little crabs in the rock bowls. See the crabs? Yeah. They put some sand in the bucket. Let's get loads of sand for a sand pit, said Polly. And this is the results of sands. Yes, said Addie. A sand dog or cat. I like dog and cats. I like goats, said Polly. Let's do a sand goat. And now they're making a goat of sands. The sand god was so big, it's really so big. But the god was not good. It stood on Mum's head. See, his god is standing on his mom's head. It ran off with Dad's socks. It took Addie's flip flop too. What a bad god, said Addie. See, god. And she is laughing. The sand god got in a boat and went out to the sea. And they are watching ahead as well. Next, let's do a little sand dog or cat, said Polly. Sand goats are not good pets at all.